Good morning, my friends. Well, I guess you can see it. I'm on my way to work and it's a blizzard. This is insane. The road is slippery, like very, very bad. Though it looks like it's getting a little bit better right here, but I guess it's because of the trees. The weather is extremely bad. The first 20 kilometers took me an hour. And it's actually first time on this trip I'm in 5th gear. This is insane. Bumper to bumper. Well, I was supposed to be in Vandløse at work 8 o'clock. It's 7:09 now, and I'm sure I'm not gonna be there 8 o'clock. That is impossible. Under normal conditions I would, but today, no way. Luckily everybody is going slow. Everybody is taking it easy. I even have mounted winter tires on my car, but I tell you, it's very, very slippery. Pushing in the accelerator a little bit too hard, the wheels are spinning. Well, I'll let you know if something happens. As you can see, I've left the freeway. On the radio they told me that there was an accident and up to an hour delay on the freeway. So I figured it would be better to leave the freeway and then go on normal streets. Obviously I cannot go as fast on normal streets. Well, actually almost I can, because the freeway was extremely slippery. It happened to me a couple of times that the wind actually pushed the car sideways, and that is scary. So it's perfectly alright for me to go on this. Actually feels like this is not as slippery as the freeway was. Not as dangerous after my opinion. And people started to go kind of fast on the freeway. I think the traffic was moving too fast when you take the road conditions into consideration. So that's another reason why I felt it better going on these roads. It's not snowing as badly here as it was further south, but still, it's for sure not springtime. Even though it's, what is it, 2-3 weeks ago that the calendar said spring. I don't know. It's crazy this year, it really is. Well, get back to you a little later on. Well, I am I think 20 kilometers from the place where I'm supposed to work, and it's 8:15. I was supposed to be there 8 o'clock, but well, nothing to do about it. I have to take it easy. obviously. I just talked to one of my superiors and he's cool about it. He say no problem. Even though he said in Jylland, and in Jylland they don't have any bad weather at all. And well, as you can see, now it's not bad weather. Now it's, well, almost blue sky and beautiful weather. But obviously still snow and slush on the road. And well, let's see what time I will arrive. I can't say anything about it at this point, so let's see what happens. Well, I have arrived. Whew. That was a rough trip. I'll see you guys later. Good evening, my friends. Whoa. Yeah, I'm on my way home. And as you can see, it's still crazy down south. In the open areas, there's snowdrift. I don't know what happens to the weather this year. We are at the end of March and it's still winter like this. It's crazy. I don't think I ever see something like this in Denmark. This is truly insane. Oh well. This morning I was half an hour late, but it was not a problem. Not at all. So I was about to say it was expected. I finished work 5 o'clock in the afternoon today. We were supposed to finish early, but well, there was I actually came in 2 extra jobs just before I was supposed to go home. So I did those. But now I have 5 days of vacation. So that's really great. I'm happy I get home before it get dark. Driving like this in the dark wouldn't be any fun. I'm going to go inside now. I'm back home. I'm tired. But it's been it's been a good day. It was a little bit too exciting this morning with the driving and all, but well, that's just the way of it. You know, this was a different kind of vlog. But anyway, I hope you will have a good Easter vacation. I don't know if you do have Easter vacation in America, but if you do, enjoy. I know I will. And you guys take care, okay? And remember, life is good. Bye bye.